Life channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your distributor in case you want to change it or replace it. It's pretty simple. So let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is pop your hood. Remove your plug wires. We actually got a set of jag wires on here and they're a bit too long, so there will be a video coming up of how to resize your wires, cut them down, make them fit better, make your engine bay look nicer. So definitely stay tuned and subscribe for that video coming soon. You want to go ahead and undo these two clips, one on each side, this distributor cap, and pull this cap off. It pulls straight up. Now you want to inspect to make sure you have no bun places and that the cap has no cracks in it. This one is good. Now your rotary button right here pulls straight up. Simple, you know, that's all it does, just pull straight up. So if you are installing a new distributor, the reason you're removing this, take you a piece of tape or a magic marker and put a dot here for the rotary button where it's pointing, and come down here and wherever your connection is pointed, go ahead and put you a piece of tape or a mark right here so you can put it back in the same position. Or you can just take a picture. I like doing the little dots, and it keeps you about 100% back in the same spot. So you don't have to adjust timing or anything if you replace the distributor by taking the old one out. Now if your motor is being assembled, you will have to time your new distributor, and that will be on a different video because I'm removing this one to retime the car, because I think whoever had the car for me might not have the distributor 100% in the right spot, so it's making it run a little funny. So that's the reason I'm removing this, and you get a how-to video. Next, unplug your plug, and you got one little bolt here. This is a 10mm, I think. You will need to loosen this and take this out, the bolt. Now you want to lay this up out of the way, nowhere near the hole of this car. And once you get this, and you got all your marks, pick straight up on it. Gently just pick straight up. And this is what you got. This is your distributor. It's that simple, and it's that easy to remove. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Definitely subscribe to my channel, drop me a like. I will have a distributor install video coming soon, so you definitely don't want to miss that. I'll see you at the next video.